That'll be 6 points, by the way. I don't wonder when. I can't hear you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you. Nice. Bye bye. Sorry? You know Cycling Mikey? What'd you say?
You ain't no Bikey Mikey.
Bikey Mikey?
Yeah.
Who's Bikey Mikey?
Go onto YouTube and look at Bikey Mikey.
Bikey Mikey, you know?
Bikey Mikey is
you
a
mean
bloke like you that decides he's going to ride up and down and gawk at anybody that's got their phone in their hand.
It's not Bikey Mikey.
It is.
It's Cycling Mikey. You
call him what you like, I call him what I like.
Well,
he's still a brat.
Oh well, that's six, you know, that's 6 points, right? Thing is, you know it happened and you still do it. Bikey Mikey, that's hilarious.